This is Go Figure, day number 7. Max said that there would be no cost to me in his plan to turn me into an action figure. He said that he wanted to produce a video about the whole process to use in advertising his 3D printing business. He had looked around online for someone to feature in the video, and he came upon my podcast and videos and liked what I was doing. Max said that there was another reason that he picked me. The lesson on the left. Sometimes things do happen that are wonderful and even miraculous. One great example on YouTube is Kane's Arcade. Search it and watch it. So Kane's Arcade is real. It is on YouTube, and I featured it on my podcast several years ago, and it's an awesome story. So take some time right now, hop on YouTube, search Kane's Arcade. So this idea that sometimes things do happen that are wonderful and even miraculous, that is true. Previously in some of the episodes, I've talked about having precaution, giving out your phone number, understanding that a lot of times in business, things don't work out, but sometimes things do work out. Sometimes things are too good to be true. It's happened in my life, fights, events, meeting people. You have to pinch yourself to make sure that it's real. This is real life. And I want you to be cautious. I want you to understand that adversity is certainly a part of life, but I also want you to understand that when good things happen, enjoy them and appreciate them. I talked about that negative voice a couple episodes ago, negative voice, that your inner roommate, whether it's kind to you or mean to you. And why don't we try and be our best friends or our own cheerleaders? When things go well for you, enjoy it. Take advantage of it. It's not all the time that things are too good to be true, but once in a while, those things do happen.